He's actually crawling back. How the hell? Jesus.
Blue shell incoming, gotta win this race. Leaving all my rivals without a trace. Dropping in the island, getting all the best loot. Take the victory royal, give the haters the boot. Surviving the walkers in the dead of the night. Always down to game with Mackenzie XD. Always down to game with Mackenzie XD. You know it's Mackenzie XD.
What is up, XD Trons? My name is Mackenzie XD, and today we are back with the Mortuary Assistant, Ending 1, Part 3. The final part to Ending 1. And so far, this has been amazing. If you have noticed, because I'm pretty sure a lot of you have noticed, I haven't been doing the rituals in this game where you have to get the litten strip and let it burn to find the mark. I do that after I've done all of the bodies. I then scribble on the drawing after I've done all of the bodies. And that way it's just faster. We are almost heading into next week, but I'm hoping to get Mario Kart Deluxe 8 out tomorrow too, which will be Sunday night, because I'm actually not at college on the Monday. Well, in the UK I'm not, if you're from the UK. So, yeah, very short intro, but since there's really nothing else to do, let's get into the final body. And like I said, I don't care which ending it is, could be good or bad, we do it together. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. Shit. Right, where are we right now? We might as well get a litten strip ready. Not yet. I will do. Or might as well get started on the body. I think this guy was the one that showed up in the last video as a thingy, a demon. Nothing there.
There we go.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah, it was this one. Can't do anything there apparently. So then we go back on it. Now we can. God, I hate this controller. I'm gonna get a new one. Go up there. Age is 52. He does not look 52. What?
Hello?
Yep. As I say all the time, you would leave. This bitch doesn't. Am I signed into the... I don't need to be on this anymore, thank God. Yes, I am signed in. Let's go to this one. Right. Yep, take this. Why was this light off? That was scary. Keep walking into a wall. Right, needle injector, set of needles, trocar, close you. Let's close this as well because I don't trust that either. Scalpel, forceps, no. Eye cups. Wasn't there liquid in here? Unless I'm... No, I don't think there was. I think I picked up everything I need right now. Oh god, he really does give me the creeps, this one. Everything about... Oh, his teeth as well. You know what, they're actually whiter than the other two, if I remember. Not like I'm gonna go and check, I can't. I've sewed their mouth shut.
There we go.
Yep, there we go. It's never pleasant. She sees it with pleasantry, but it's never pleasant to do this. God, do you know what? Do you know who he looks like? Do you know who he reminds me of? The old Hulk. Do you know who I'm on about? You? It's not right now though, is it? Oh God. I did not like that at all. To what I was saying before, he reminds me of the Hulk, the old one we used to do on the channel. Do you remember him? Do you know when he's like midway through transformation? I've showed you all the mid transformations before on the channel, if you remember that far back. But yeah, he just reminds me of him. Surprisingly. The Gligga Diggy Diggy Diggy. I love that one. I just call it Gligga Diggy Diggy all the time. And the Regan, the baleful Regan, not beautiful. Learn my lesson. Give me a second. I will go to it. Can I? Oh yes, I can. What you say? The mortuary assistant. It's not gay. Game of a lifetime. Banging drums. Oh yeah, get the body to the morgue. Burn it if it's evil. Get the wand. Get it, motherfucker. I'ma hit the drum. Never gonna. Yeah, okay. Mason Browning. Andy. I think Mason Browning. Or this guy. What's this guy's name? Isaac Patton. Yeah, I think Isaac Patton's gonna be the bloody evil one. Right, I'm closing that because, you know, demons and everything. Here it is. I was looking for this, like from a distance, even though it was in a cupboard that was closed. Oh yeah, I need a bloody... You never learn, do you, XD? It's still telling us to use the letting strip, and that's just catching me off guard. I hate this trigger task, I always do.
There we go.
Yeah. Leave now? No. Mix cleaners in the bathroom closet. Fuck. I knew it. As soon as the music stopped. Jesus Christ. Okay. I don't remember this one. Tubing. Where was the tubing again? Get tubing by bed. Tubing. There it is. Is it ticked off? Yeah, it is. Get needle from bathroom. The bathroom is in here, and the needle. That it? Yeah. Find the lighter. Is that it? No, that's a bag. A little bag full of drugs, I think, or certain stuff. Ooh, yep, lighter. Get spoon near the coffee table. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, sorry, I need to sneeze. I'm coming down with something. Find full baggie on kitchen counter. Oh, yeah, that was it. Okay. Oh God. What's this? I left the door open. Can I? Could I have walked? Could I have ran out? What the hell? We're gonna fucking run out now, aren't we? Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking. Go to hell. Honestly. Go, like, whoever did that cutscene or drama or whatever that was, phenomenal, but evil. Pure evil, that one. Fucking baggy on the kitchen counter. I still hate you. But you're on my better list after that. Clothes. What's next? Moisturizing pads. Here. Nice one. Hopefully I can do another live stream on this game soon. Although I'm not planning on it. Oh god, he's still smiling. He's still creepy. Even after cleaning him and embalming him, he still looks like you wouldn't let him near a school. Return the body to cold storage. Before I do that, now we can use the letting strip. I forgot that it does that. Okay, bow and arrow, whatever. Another one. Yeah, no. I'm gonna try and see if I can't. No. No one loves you. No. You can stay there. Oh, God! Why did these just open now? Oh my god, I can hear the music getting tense. Upside down question mark. Bone and arrow. Upside down question mark. Ooh, sideways J. And possibly through here. Yeah. L. Okay. Right. Yeah, right. What? Is that something on there? Which one was that again? And none of them. Ooh, it looks like desolation. It looks like it's coming out to look like desolation. Are we gonna keep that closed though for now? How about we just return him the cold storage, just to see if then the drone thing will work. Oh god, he still looks creepy though. I seriously don't like him. I don't like the thunder either. All of these people need to be out, because it could be any of them. Although I don't think it's going to be middle person. If it is, I'll be shocked. It's either this guy or the first one. And I'm getting nowhere on the mark. I thought I saw his finger move. I think it's this person. I really do. Screw you, Thunder. No. No. Sorry. I can't do that the whole way again. It's always that whole way. I hate it. I'm going in. Jumping naked man. Oh my god, the drone, it just won't hold. Alright, now I'm keeping you closed and I'm not opening you. Oh. That was unpleasant, that one. What else is there to do? I found all 4 markers. And I've embalmed all 3 bodies. Give us the drawing. The drawing's what I need. Do I need to listen to these? No? Is it because I've got the old key? Hold on. Maybe if I drop it back here, demons don't see it. This item cannot be dropped. So I'm fucked. Pretty much. Because it won't give us the damn drawing. So I'm pretty much just gonna fail the mortuary assistant. Great. At least that's ending 1. Fail. Not that I planned on failing. Even though it is one of the endings. Can I just say, that thing that happened there with the naked man running, it was this bastard. It was him that ran. It wasn't him or her. Yeah, that's a her. Yeah, that's definitely her. It was him. This guy ran naked. Well, not technically naked. He still had boxers on, but I didn't open that. Fuck off, you little spacker. Oh my god. I just want some time to process that one. That one got me in the heart. Oh, we're getting... That's not even one of them either. Oh, you're an arse. You're an arse of a game. none of them. Jesus, tap dancing Christ. It's that doorway, it's that doorway, it's that hole. Everything about it is a nightmare. Is it something on this computer? I don't think it's going to be the thing. So, if I look at all of them... Wait! No way! Look at the one that says Anik. A-N-E-K. Anik. Skywalker. It has L, upside down question mark, bone and arrow, sideways J, and those are the 4 that I've got on the thing. Is it going to be this one that looks like an M, standing for Mackenzie XD? Hopefully. Do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take a huge risk and put all of these in the way they are. And see if that's if that is the correct one. So, I think the first one was L, I'm pretty sure. Whereas the G. Okay, take mark. Right. I've got the mark in my hand. I'm gonna close this. What the bloody hell?
People make up stories. Death is a scary thing to a lot of people. No one's involving any ghost bodies or whatever.
Reveal it as the M, please. And then after you do that, which hopefully I am correct, if not, I'm going to have to go back to the mark thing and do it all again. After you reveal it, him, I am burning him. I was standing opposite him when she did that to herself. Honestly, why is this taking forever? I've never known a video game to take this long. This is kind of hurting a little bit, to be honest. I don't think it should hurt this bad. I can't do anything. I'm stuck with the old key. Thank God I didn't do anything, or else I would have probably burnt nobody in. Right, nothing through that hallway, which I'm not going back through. No matter what happens, I'm not going back through this hallway, because it scared the living shit out of me before. With that naked person running. That's a pipe. I'm not coming back in that room either. I'm staying in here, which is the worst place because, you know, there's bodies here. Are you kidding me? It's still not working. Jesus Christ. Are you kidding me? It's sat here for 5 minutes and it's still not doing anything. That is beyond the joke. Oh god. I did that without thinking. I did that without thinking. I have to go through every place. Because if I don't... Oh god. I'm probably not going to receive it. Received it! Received it! Received it! Get away. Push you in. Goodbye. Push you in. Goodbye. Get you. What the hell? Right. Get you. What the hell? Right. I thought I shut that. Maybe it's not. But now it is. Okay. Now, get you. Yes. Don't forget, put the mark on the body. Yes. Okay. Still ugly and creepy. Mid-transformation Hulk looking arse. In a bit. Goodbye. Au revoir. Auf Wiedersehen. Nothing to do with you anymore. That's fascinating to watch. Because it's that creepy man. Oh shit. Oh wow. He's actually crawling back. How the hell? Jesus.
Good morning. It's nice not to be the one down though for a change.
Raymond?
I suppose a first name basis is in order.
Did I make it? Is it over?
For now. It's never really over. You've come a long way. It's a lot to learn.
I'm so glad I'm here.
Oh, piss
I
off.
know it's disorienting.
I remember this from the time I played it on the PlayStation.
Get home. Get some rest. Every night can be different.
I think I'm fine.
I haven't done it.
Are you sure? You seem out of it.
I got it wrong.
Oh, I've just been waiting for so long.
What? What are you? Oh no. You chose the wrong body. Rebecca.
Rebecca's not here, you fucking idiot! Drink this nuts from the pit of a brain! What a shit!
I mean... Okay, I might be stupid, but when I think about it, when I look back in my head through the videos I did playing this game, when I first did part 1 of Ending 1, I'm pretty sure that I burnt a mark on the body, which is a thing that you can do to get the good ending, and that was on the first body I did, and that first body revealed the M. Although I don't know if I did that or not. It shouldn't have left the body, but apparently it did. The first body did not have the letter M on it. It didn't have a marking on it that I burned, so I'm just going to say I didn't do it. And I don't know how that wasn't the body, because he gave me so much activity that he jump scared me like 3 times in this whole video. But it's not like I can go back and change it. You see, bad news is we got the wrong body. But the good news is we got the wrong body, because that means we received one of the endings, ending 1. Now for these, now, oh, this is gonna hurt really bad. Now, for the last 5 endings, I have to get all of the bodies correct. And I can do them in different ways. Alright, I'm going to end the video there. Thank you so much for watching. Stay strong, XD Trons, and I will catch you guys in the next video.